Hello, in this video I want to show you how to deactivate Instagram account without waiting a week. First you need open the Instagram, then go to the profile page. Then go to the home screen and go to the setting. Just scroll down and find the additional setting and here data and time. Turn off the use network provided time and here set the day after week. We have a I8 day. Just go to the 16 and then click the OK. Then go back to home screen and back to Instagram update and then click on the edit profile. Click on the edit profile and then scroll down and find the personal information setting. Here find the personal details and here click on the account ownership and control. Click on the deactivate or deletion account. Choose the account and deactivate your account and click continue. Here enter the password and set the reason you want to deactivate account and then click on the continue. And it all for today. We deactivated Instagram account without waiting a week. This all for today. Goodbye.